Hello you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on a Pacifica with those kind of keys. In this case it's a 2025, so December 24. So I'm going to show you guys where I connected, because when trying to connect on the regular bypass here by the back door, it didn't work. So we're going to go here. You see that push tab? And this one, we're just going to take this thing out. So after removing the push tab, it would look like this. So the star connector is right there. We're just going to connect to this and to the OBD and do the job. So now we are all connected. So I took the first spot over here with the ADC, and that goes to the OBD extension and then to the tool. And now we're going to do the programming. So on the programming, we're just going to go to EMO, Chrysler, manual selection, North America, Pacifica, and we're going to go to 21 to 25, and we're going to put the hazard lights on, and we're just going to hit OK. And we're going to go control unit, read immobilizer password, and we're going to try the first method. And we're going to leave the car off. So we're just going to wait here. It says between 1 to 10 minutes. Sometimes as the Pacifica is going to be very fast, just like you see here. So we already got the pin code, so we're going to take a picture of that. And in this case, I like to take the old key far away, and then we can go back to the car, and we can go to keyless system. And again, all key static key should be the same, even if the alarm is on. We're just going to go key learning, and we're going to go key learning. There is 2 keys in the system. We're just going to hit yes. The pin code is there. We're going to hit yes, and we're going to need to press unlock right here. So we're just going to put it there and press unlock. So when it says now, that's it. We heard it going. So it's basically 3 times or 4 times pressing the unlock. And this job is completely done. So we can hit no on that. We can shut the hazard lights off, and we know that the other key is in our car, so we can just press the push button, and as we can see, car comes on. So if you try to do the 2025 and you got stuck and the star connector is not working, so that will be the solution, using the above the glove box. Very easy to get it. It's just 2 tabs like that. This one was missing one side, so somebody was here before, but basically 2 tabs, and it's right here. Thank you guys for watching. So we'll see you in the next video.